Guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see how you can take input on terminal like here. So in JavaScript, we usually use to of taking input using HTML only. We have uh, never came across any situations where we need to take input on terminal. So you will not use to of it, but it will be helpful in some cases. So let's learn it in this video. First, I'm going to create a new file input.js. And then let's understand how we can take input on terminal. To take input, it's depend on our execution environment. If we are running inside browser, we can directly take input using prompt function like enter your name. There you go. But if the execution environment is Node.js, then how you can take input? If the execution environment is Node.js, we have a built-in module called readline. So we need to use this module to take input. Let's import this module, read, it's going to be readline, and then require readline. All set. It would be readline, sorry for that. Now we have to create input and output stream. So let's go and create read line equal to rl equal to readline dot create dot interface dot I think something is off. Const read line equal to you require read line. Perfect. Rl equal to read line dot create interface. Then we will create input and output stream. So standard input, and for it would be process dot standard input, and then output process dot standard output. Now we can use rl dot question to take input like enter your name, and then a callback. So whatever we get as input in enter your name will be received inside this function. For simplicity, I'm just going to print it like hello, and then whatever we get in the answer. Then don't forget to close it. It is going to close. Now let's run this. Node input.js. There you go. Now let's enter Devkant. Hello, Devkant. So in this video, you understand if you ever need to take input on the terminal, you can require the readline package or the module that is built in the Node.js. No need to install any packages. This is the one way of taking input on Node.js environment. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.